Guys, I'm going to show you how to clean laptop speakers. Sometimes they'll give you, or, ticks, whatever kind of different sounds you don't like. Buzzing noises, whatever. It's usually caused by dirty speakers. You can see here how there's debris and such, especially this one over here. Just really crusty, all hair, dirt, probably Dorito potato chips, all kinds of stuff. And how to clean them. Usually these are pretty much like plastic speakers. You can take a little bit of alcohol, or if you don't have alcohol, use your spit. Don't really matter. This stuff just dries really quickly. That's the reason why I use it. You only want to use a little bit and just kind of go around it. You don't really have to be too gentle, but you want to be kind of gentle with it. You want to get all the crud out of there. And let's start on this one. This one's really bad over here. Most of the time when they're buzzing and clicking and just a whole bunch of buzzing noises, really, kind of, the speaker's probably worn out. The voice coils are probably gone, and probably just need to replace them. But most of the time, they just need a little bit of cleaning. Pretty much sorts it right out. There. Now look at them. Nice and clean. Now they may look wet, but that alcohol, like actually right now, it looks really dry. So that's pretty much the problem with these laptop speakers, is that they get a whole bunch of crud in them and they can't, bounce back and forth like they should, because they go up and down really fast and give you your sound. So yeah, if you ever got problems with your speakers, try cleaning them first. I mean, there's usually just a shroud over them that you can just easily pop off, and you can easily clean them. So try that first and see what happens.